Today's Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. It is also day 408 of data science, and today I'm just going to use or kind of just practice the random.random method from NumPy. So I'll import NumPy as NP, run that, and then I'll do np.random, so I'll use that, and then random.rand so random integer, and then call it function. And so it has three parameters. It has low, it has high, it has one more like D type, but I'm not going to use that. And it also has size. So the low is your starting point. So you want, it's low and high are kind of like your intervals. Like when, like, yeah, you want like a list of numbers. Like let's say you want 100 numbers. Okay, that's your size. But then where do you want the range of that like number to be? So maybe I want 100 numbers between 1 and like 10, and then I can run that and it's going to give me an array of 100 numbers between 1 and 10. And if I just increase this value to 20, then I'll start seeing numbers like 14 or 16, right, or whatever. And yeah, so now what I'll do is I'll do this other one, which is np.random.choice, which actually takes or actually makes a choice on whatever, like, I believe it could be a list. So what I'll do is, because this is an array, I'll set that equal to an array. And what I'll do is I'll just take the array and then do the toList function, and that just turns the array into a list, and set that equal to my values, and then run that, and then I'll just pass in over here the values and run that, and it's going to give me a random choice from the values. So it's basically picking a random number from the values here. So that's just in case, maybe you want to have some you have like a list of names or a list of numbers, and you want just a random choice from it. np.random.choice does that for you. So yeah, that's it for today. It's a little quick thing, and now I'm gonna go. Bye.